Picture this. You're stuck in traffic, waiting for your morning coffee or just lounging on your couch, and you spot a perfect trading opportunity. But here's the problem. You're nowhere near your computer. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a way to never miss those golden trading moments again? Today, let me introduce you to the Olymptrade Mobile App. And trust me, this isn't just another trading app review. I'm talking about a platform that's been making waves this year with over 130 countries served and features that'll blow your mind. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been trading for years, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. So grab your phone because we're about to explore why thousands of traders are calling Olymptrade their secret weapon for trading success. Now, before we jump in, let me be real with you for a second. 3 months ago, I was that person constantly refreshing charts on my tiny phone browser, squinting at numbers and missing trades because the interface was just terrible. I'd been using desktop platforms for years, but life kept pulling me away from my computer. Family dinners, work meetings, weekend trips, you know how it is. That's when a fellow trader mentioned Olymptrade's mobile app during a casual conversation at a coffee shop. I'll be honest, I was skeptical. How good could a mobile trading app really be? But after downloading it and spending just 1 week testing it out, I realized I'd been doing mobile trading all wrong. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today. Alright, here's exactly what we're covering in the next few minutes. First, we'll explore the app's interface and why it's actually easier to use than most desktop platforms. Seriously, no kidding. Second, I'll walk you through the standout features that make this app different, including that free $10,000 demo account that everyone's talking about. Third up, we'll do a real step-by-step trade together. I'll show you exactly how simple it can be, even if you've never traded before. And finally, we'll talk about the pros, cons, and whether this app is right for your trading style. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to make an informed decision about Olymptrade. Let's start with the obvious question. How does this thing actually look and feel? When you first download Olymptrade from the App Store or Google Play, the setup is surprisingly smooth. You get immediate access to a free demo account with 10,000 demo currency units. No credit card required, no sketchy sign-up process. The interface? Clean, intuitive. None of that cluttered mess you see in other apps. Everything's where you'd expect it to be. Your balance at the top, asset list on the left, and that beautiful chart taking center stage. But here's what impressed me most. The user-friendly interface lets traders switch between tools without breaking a sweat, which is crucial when timing is everything. I'm talking smooth transitions, no lag, no crashes, just pure functionality. Now let's talk about what makes this app special. Feature 1, the demo account. Olymptrade provides a free demo account, ideal for beginners to practice trading without risking real money, with the ability to trade up to $10,000 of virtual money. And here's the kicker. Each demo account has a replenishable 10,000 demo currency units. Run out of practice money? No problem, just refill it. Feature number 2, asset variety. You can choose from a wide range of different assets, including natural gas and ETFs. We're talking forex pairs, stocks, commodities, basically everything you need under one roof. Feature number 3, low barrier to entry. Olymptrade offers a minimum deposit of just $10 with minimum trades of $1 accepted. Compare that to other platforms charging $250 plus minimums, and you can see why beginners love this. Feature number 4, 24/7 support. The platform offers 24/7 customer support, educational resources, webinars, and market analysis. I've tested their support myself. Response time is usually under 2 hours. Alright, enough talking. Let's actually make a trade together. I'm going to show you exactly how simple this can be. Step 1. Choose your asset. I'm opening the app and I can see your USD is trending nicely today. Let me tap on it. Boom, chart loads instantly. Step 2. Analyze the market. The app gives me access to a wide range of technical indicators right here on mobile. I can see a clear upward trend forming with the price bouncing off a support level. Step 3. Set your trade. I'm going to predict that EUR USD will go up in the next 5 minutes. I'll invest just $5. Remember, we're keeping this beginner friendly. Here's the math. If I'm right, I get back my $5 plus roughly $4 profit. That's an 80% payout. If I'm wrong, I lose my $5. Simple as that. Step 4. Execute. I tap up, confirm my $5 investment, and we're live. The app shows me exactly when my trade expires, 5 minutes from now. Step 5. Wait and learn. While we wait, notice how the app keeps me updated in real time. I can see exactly how my trade is performing, and there's even a mini chart showing the price movement. And there we go. Profit. The Euro USD moved up as predicted, and I just made $4 in 5 minutes using nothing but my phone. Now imagine doing this consistently with proper risk management and strategy. Let's be honest about this app. No platform is perfect. The good. Incredibly user-friendly, even for complete beginners. Multi-platform access. Browser, desktop, and mobile application. Low minimum deposit and highly competitive payouts. Solid educational resources built right in. Fast execution and reliable performance. The not so good. The mobile app is typical of what you'd expect, with no standout features compared to others according to some reviewers, limited advanced charting compared to desktop versions, not available in all countries due to regulations. Bottom line, for mobile trading, especially if you're starting out, this app delivers exactly what it promises. Is it revolutionary? No. Is it reliable and effective? Absolutely. So, who is this app perfect for? If you're someone who travels frequently, has a busy lifestyle, or just wants the flexibility to trade whenever opportunity strikes, this is your answer. You can switch to a live account anytime, deposit funds into it, and trade whenever and wherever you want. It's especially great for beginners who want to learn without the pressure of a complicated interface or huge minimum deposits. Let's wrap this up with the most important takeaway. Your trading success isn't determined by how complex your platform is. It's determined by how consistently you can execute your strategy. The Olymptrade mobile app gives you that consistency. It puts professional trading tools right in your pocket, removes the barriers that keep most people from getting started, and does it all with an interface that just makes sense. Whether you're waiting for your morning train or relaxing at home, profitable opportunities don't wait for you to get to your computer. With Olymptrade, you don't have to miss them anymore. Remember, start with that free demo account, learn the ropes, and only risk what you can afford to lose. Trading is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice to master. If this video helped you understand mobile trading better, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And hey, if you're ready to try Olymptrade for yourself, I've got an exclusive link in the description below. It'll get you started with that free $10,000 demo account we talked about, plus some bonus features that regular users don't get access to. Subscribe for more honest trading reviews and tutorials. I post new content every Tuesday and Friday. And drop a comment below. Are you currently doing mobile trading? What's your biggest challenge? I read every single comment and often turn them into future video topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.